Okay, next we're going to have to talk about your scope statement. Can you call up your scope statement?
Here it is. Distributors and resellers of industrial consumables.
Okay, then now I have a few questions with regard to your bottling line, which you said you now have. When you installed that line, did you notify the registrar that you were changing your scope?
No, not really. Should we have?
I was afraid of this. It's better that I open this can of worms now rather than later on in the audit. Well, first of all, your contract with the registrar requires you to notify the registrar if there is a significant change in your business. Adding a piece of production equipment puts you in that category. You're already not meeting a requirement. Now, I need to probe into this.
Okay.
When you did all of this, did you have to hire new employees?
Yes, we had to add 5 employees. That makes our total employees up to 26.
The next question is, in this production line, are you doing anything to the product, such as reacting it or heating it up or just repackaging it?
We're doing a reaction. We are using a digital control system to control the process.
Okay, then, can you now call up your website?
Here it is. We hired a professional photographer for this shot.
Well, all of this is fine up until now. You can add new processes as much as you want. If this was just a bulk breaking situation, you would still be okay with distribution as your scope, since you wouldn't be doing anything to the product except taking it out of one package and putting it in another.
But you're doing some kind of reaction or blending, and you're also offering this product line to the marketplace.
Is that a problem?
It's not really a problem. It's just that you're not in conformity with the ISO standard. Clause 4.3 of the standard requires the scope statement to include the products and services covered. Yet you're promoting this product line on your website, which also has the ISO logo.
Yeah, and
And you can't just do that without that process being audited and included on your certificate. To a prospective customer, this looks like the chemical process is part of your ISO system, but it's never been validated by a third party to determine if you can actually do it and meet requirements.
is that a problem?
The problem is that it's probably going to result in an increase in audit time. Also, it might very well have been a problem because not every auditor has chemical processing in their auditing scope. If you want to include this process in your certificate, I am going to have to get back with the registrar to get them to change this to a scope extension audit and tell them about the added headcount. It's very likely this audit will be extended.
Tommy needs to hear this. He isn't going to like spending the money. Tommy, it looks like there's going to be an increase in audit time if we want our bottling line to be certified.
No, goddammit. This is too expensive already. The registrar just wants to get more money from us.
Well, suit yourself. The other option is for you to take down the part of your website that is promoting your bottling line since it's not part of your registration.